Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by LDPE Engineers Private Limited, specialists in building high-performance plastics extrusion and thermoforming machines. Crude oil prices edged lower on Tuesday, while WTI traded at $48.66, down 19 cents per barrel. Brent finished at $51.65, down 17 cents per barrel. Supporting the price fall were reports of a rise in US crude stockpiles. The American Petroleum Institute data has reported that US inventories rose by 882,000 barrels last week. This overshadows the agreement between Russia and Saudi Arabia to continue with production cuts. Russia and Saudi Arabia are the largest of the 24 producers that agreed to a deal to cut supply for 6 months starting in Jan 2017. Polymer Update oil editors remain further concerned about reports of an increase in Libyan output and signs of recovery in Nigerian crude production, which together with rising crude production in the US may undercut the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries' efforts to stabilize the market. Open spec naphtha prices also declined on Tuesday. Prices were assessed at US $452 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day fall of US $6 per metric ton. Ethylene prices plunged in Asia on Tuesday. Ethylene prices were assessed at US $1,025 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, a sharp day-on-day drop of US $30 per metric ton. Prices were at US $1125 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels, a plunge of US $70 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Prices tumbled on the back of dull buying interest and ample product availability in the region. Bearish downstream PE product demand and pricing trends further supported the price fall. On Tuesday, propylene prices gained in parts of Asia. Prices were at US $825 per metric ton CFR China levels, a rise of US $15 per metric ton from Monday. The price rise was supported by firmer upstream energy values and limited product avails. Prices were assessed steady at US $795 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. Benzene and styrene monomer prices meanwhile bolstered higher in Asia on Tuesday. Benzene prices were at US $755 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, up by US $15 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Higher upstream crude rates, a surge in downstream SM values and improved regional demand trends together supported the price rise. SM prices were assessed at US $1,070 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day surge of US $45 per metric ton, while prices were assessed at US $1,090 per metric ton CFR China levels, up by US $35 from Monday. Prices firmed mainly on account of strong short covering action witnessed in the region coupled with bullish upstream energy and benzene values. Today is Wednesday, a day when the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Asia's most credible pricing service provider, Polymer Update. I would like to now invite Polymer Update's in-house expert, Mr. Jwalant Oza, our editorial director, to throw light on this week's Polymer Update's pricing assessments for the Asian markets. Hi Jwalant.
Hi Neeraj.
What are the assessments for PP this week?
PP prices are expected to remain steady in both the regions, Far East Asia as well as in Southeast Asia.
Okay. How are the PE markets behaving in Asia this week?
HDPE prices are expected to decline by about $5 to $10 in Far East Asia, while in Southeast Asia prices are likely to drop by around $10 to $30.
Okay.
In LDPE, prices are likely to fall by around $5 to $10 in Far East Asia, while in Southeast Asia prices may drop by around $15 to $20. Now in case of LLDPE, prices in Far East Asia are expected to decline by about $10, while in Southeast Asia prices may fall by around $15 to $20.
What is the trend seen in regional PVC markets?
Prices in PVC in China and in Southeast Asia are likely to remain steady, and fresh offers from overseas producers for PVC are expected to be announced this week.
Right. What are the steps domestic producers are likely to take this week with regards to price changes?
Our editors have reached out to many industry players who believe that PP prices may be reduced by 1 to 1.50 per kg basic by domestic producers today. Most market players are of the opinion that PE prices may be left unchanged, while few in the industry expect producers may decrease PE prices by rupees 1 to 1.5 per kg basic. PVC prices are likely to be rolled over.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your inputs, Jwant.
Thank you, Neeraj.
In India, Supreme Petrochem has reduced its GPPS and HRPS prices by Rs 2.50 per kg basic with effect from May 16, 2017. PET prices left unchanged by Reliance Industries Limited with effect from May 16, 2017. In India today, Formosa Taiwan has offered its PPHP at US dollars 1075 per metric ton levels and PP film at US dollars 1155 per metric ton levels for June 2017 shipment on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. If you have enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymer Update and have found it useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. Thank you.